My name is Molly and I'm 9 years old, and I'm wondering how do plants grow if there's no sunlight?
Hi, I'm Andrew Jablonski. I am a finished master's student at UW-Madison and I study plant physiology. To answer that question, first when you think about why plants need sunlight, and they actually need sunlight for this process that we call photosynthesis. Plants are what we call autotrophs. They're sort of self-feeding or self-nourishing, and they basically create their own food or energy to grow. And so plants with photosynthesis will take in carbon dioxide from the air, water from their roots and bring it up, and they'll actually use sunlight as the sort of energetic source to create sugar from water and carbon dioxide. Plants contain this molecule called chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is actually what absorbs the sunlight. The chlorophyll absorbs red and green light, and they reflect green light. That's actually why if you look at plants, they appear green to our eyes. And so that chlorophyll basically absorbs the sunlight, excites electrons, and that electron is actually what is used to create sugars. Some plants actually don't contain chlorophyll. There's this one plant that we call the ghost plant, and it appears white in appearance. And it actually doesn't have any chlorophyll. It just actually is a parasite and leeches off of other plants for nutrition and energy. Some plants can survive in really low light conditions. If you think about sort of really dark, almost rainforest canopies, below canopy, plants that grow in that environment, they sort of have evolutionary adaptations to handle these low light environments, which include sort of making these really broad, thin leaves to capture as much sunlight as they can. But basically, if a plant is green, it needs sunlight at some point to grow, otherwise it can't survive.